Currently we only have base boost, so this is something else that seems to happen from time to time. Probably something to do with the mapping, but we'll have to see. But yeah, totally flat. 0 PSI shown on the gauge. Joys of modified cars. Hi everyone, so maybe not a good start to a video when you see the bonnet up of a car. It's usually something that's broken or something that needs repairing. So we're on the Z20 ASTRA COUPE Turbo. A couple of times when I've driven it, I've lost all boost. It's running on, looks like, base boost. So it's a case of some fault finding now. I'm definitely not an expert on Z20s, so what we're going to start looking at is just some of the vac hoses going around the engine. I found a couple at the back that go to the rear boost control solenoid that have splits in them. So initially the first plan is going to be we'll just remove that rear boost control solenoid altogether and all the associated pipework. I've got some new matching blue 3mm vac hose that I'll use, and some new T-pieces. Get that on, tie wrapped in place, and then have a good look through the rest of the car. Have a closer look at the turbo, actuator, wire, and make sure the wiring's in place and stuff like that, and then see where we're at after that. Right then, let's get this rear boost control solenoid pulled off the ASTRA. You can see it just up there tucked away with a couple of pipes coming out it and the paint marks. So it looks like a couple of T8 Torx bolts there just to pull that off. That's it disconnected from the bracket, so just need to pull the pipework off now. It should be done. Next job will be tidy up this all up under the bonnet. So I've got this one here, only to connect that up with that one there at the inlet. Tee off the fuel pressure regulator and the hose for the dump valve. Right then, let's get these pipes out here. Some new 3mm blue silicone ones to go in. Okay, that looks like it's done then, so take it for a run and see how it drives, see if it's made any difference. Right then, so a little bit of deja vu. Going to whip this turbo off again for another look at what's going on with this wastegate. So I've had some feedback and it's looking like, you know, actuator, V-band clamp again, or what some people have done is they've actually dremeled a little bit off the housing to stop the wastegate catching. So I've got a new actuator on order, and I thought it's not too big a job to take it all back off. So take it off, dremel that bit off, and then have a closer look at that V-band clamp and then go for there. she's out. And she's out again. Just this area here where it's catching. See there, I think I'm going to just take that down a wee bit on the casing. See if that helps. Right, so test driving the ASTRA COUPE Turbo now. The issues with the boost seem to be resolved. It's going really, really well. It's booked in for a proper remap in a couple of weeks' time, so I'll feature that separately. So this is just a little taster, I guess, of what the performance is like at the moment.
Please subscribe.